Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud and AI Analytics. Hope everyone is doing good. I'm Viknesh and in this video we are going to see how to work with cloud functions using client library that is Python. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first we will go to our cloud shell. So this is my cloud shell. So here you can see this is my cloud shell. So you can activate, this is my console and you can just click on this activate cloud shell and open your cloud editor. So this is my cloud editor which I am going to use. So this is the main function. So similar in our in the previous video we have seen how to write a function right in Node.js. In this video the same thing I have written inside in using Python. So it is nothing but we are importing Flask and it is going to import function framework, and this is a simple functionality where it is going to be an HTTP based trigger and we are going to return this hello cloud and AI analytics, the same page, the same trigger what we did before, right? The same thing we are doing it here as well. So this is the functionality, like hello HTTP is my function name. So here you can see the requirement.txt like sample project. So 2.0.0, this is the requirement. So basically that is not required. You can just skip that as well. So so this, like, you can open your cloud function page as well. So view all products under serverless, you will be able to find cloud functions. So this is my cloud function page, and here it is completely fresh. There is no there is no functions created. So we will see how we are going to do it here. So the first thing is you have to make sure you have installed you are inside this project like gcloud auth list, and you have to do the gcloud auth login as well. So first what I'm going to do is gcloud auth login. So I'm just going to authenticate my account. So I have authenticated my login account, and now we have to make sure the API has been enabled. So to run this we have to make sure the cloud build and cloud function API has been enabled. So you have to make sure that API has been enabled. If it is not, you can use this service to enable the API of this cloud function and cloud build as well. So why there is a dependency on cloud build? So we'll be calling the artifact registry. So that is something which is where our code is going to go and stay. So that is why we are enabling the API of cloud build. So cloud build will be called by the gcloud functions deploy command and will automatically build your code into a container image. So that is the reason why we are enabling the API of cloud build as well. So the main pipe, so here you can see this is a very simple HTTP based function. So we are going to display hello cloud and AI analytics, the same thing. And then you can see, let's deploy this function as an HTTP cloud function, the same HTTP whatever uh, in previous video we discussed, right? The same thing we are using client library. So you can deploy it using like this. So gcloud functions deploy hello HTTP. So here you can see hello underscore HTTP. So that is the function name. Gcloud functions deploy hello HTTP. Runtime is Python. So in the other video it was Node.js. This video it is runtime is Python. And trigger HTTP hello unauthenticated. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here, and I'll run it from here. That's it. So again, this is going to take some time. This is probably, it will take 2 minutes, I guess. So I'll pass this video now, and once this is done, this is successful, I'll come back. Yeah, so it is done. Here you can see it is done. Entry point is hello HTTP, and this is the URL which I'm going to copy it, and you can find the same inside the console as well. So ingress setting and labels like CLI cloud. So name, the runtime, service account email, source upload URL. So here you can see storage.googleapis.com, where you will be able to find the zip file like Python script file, and status, timeout, all those things you will be able to see. And this is the first version ID is 1. So now you can just, I have copied the URL, you can just create a new tab and paste it, and you will be able to see the same hello cloud and AI analytics, which is the message here. So which is the message which is going to return. And here you can see so just refresh here once, you will be able to see the cloud function. Yeah, so the cloud function is here you can see hello underscore HTTP, and you will be able to see rest all the other functionalities like the metrics. You can find all the metrics here, the details, so lost deployed, all those things you will be able to find it here. the source. So if you wanted, you can change the source as well, like cloud and analytics, like, and the variables trigger, basically HTTP trigger, this URL and the URL which I copied from CLI, both are same, and permissions and the logs. You will be able to find the logs here, like function executor started took 98 milliseconds, and the testing, you will be able to test it from here as well. So this is how you will be able to do it from using Python client library and gcloud command. So I'll show you other functionalities as well. So here you can go here and you will be able to see the test function, obviously, like gcloud functions describe hello HTTP. So you can do that gcloud functions describe hello HTTP. It is going to describe the functionality, so which we have already seen. So here you can see available memory, build ID, build name, Docker registry, so entry point. So you will be able to find all those things, like all CLI tool, and it is going to be here. You can see storage and cloud functions appspot, and this is the zip file, like, and the status is active, version ID is 1, and timeout is 60 seconds, and updated time, all those things you will be able to find it. And next, if you wanted to see the logs also, you will be able to find it using it, gcloud function logs read. I'll just clear the screen, I'll paste it here, and then we are good to go. We'll be able to see the logs here, whatever we have seen here, right? So the same thing you will be able to see here as well. So hello HTTP, log function execution started, so it took 6 milliseconds, all those things you will be able to find it here. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, any doubts, please post that in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and reply to it as soon as possible. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe to Cloud and AI Analytics, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Vignesh. Happy learning.